Jennifer won't get up. Did you get Lexi up? Tell her. Go get her. Did you attack her? Go get her up. Get Lexus. Get her. Tell her wake up. See, I gotta go potty. Did you get Lexus? He got you. Is that how you get her up? Tell Lexus. Tell her. Look. Go get Lexus. Look. Lexi went to sleep. Look. She went. Go get Lexus. Look. She went back to bed. Go look. Look at Lexus. She went back to bed on you. You can't allow that. No, go get Lexus. Tell Lexus to get you out. Go tell her. Go tell Lexus. Well, go tell her. Go get Lexi. Go tell Lexi. Tell her to get you up. Look. Oh, so pretty. Go tell Alexis. Look. Look. Go tell Alexis. Look. Her sleeping. She went back to bed. You have to go get Alexis. Tell her to take you out. Tell Alexis. I know. Go tell her. I dare her go back to sleep. No, go get Lexi. Go get Lexi out of bed. You go tell her it's time to get up. Quit smiling. Are you smiling? So pretty. Oh, that pretty white teeth. Go get Lexi. No, go. Look. Call him, Alexis. Alexis, call him. Call him. Lexi went to bed. She left you. Oh, no, it's sad. Go get Lexi. Go get Lexi. Well, tell her it's bed. It's time to get up. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I love your pretties. Go get Lexi. I'm going to close the door. Good night. Go to bed. Go to bed. Good night. Night. Go to bed. Go to bed. Where's Lexi? Tell Lexi, get up. Go get her up. Go get her. She's moving. Look. Lexi's calling. She's watching you. Oh, she's going to back to bed. She's not going to take you out. Go get her. Go get on the bed and get Lexi. Go get on the bed and get Lexi. Go on. Oh, what a mess. He's so big. He'll smack you. He'll smack you. Get her up. Get her up. Get her up. Get her up. Tell her, come on. Say, come on, Lexi. You gonna give up that easily? Okay, now what I do? Okay, got no use. I'm not calling Mom. Need Lexi. Get up. There you go. Get her up. Pull her hair. I pulled her hair. You pulled her hair. Oh, he's going to chew up your owl. He says that's who she gets for not getting out of the bed. Go get her. Get Alexis. Tell her to wake up. Malachi. Go get Lexi. Go get Lexi. Tell her to get up. You're always in your room because you won't get up.
Stop.
Get her. Get her. Get her up. Go get Lexi. Good night. I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to go to bed. Good night, Malachi. Oh, not nice. That wasn't nice. He's just going to eat it. I'm going to attack you. He's going to attack you. Get her. Get her. Let her do that to you. Get her. Get her.
Go, it's my baby.
Get Lexi. He gives up on you. He's just going to eat your owl. Get her up. Get Lexus. Oh! You knocked her on the... He was going to sit down. He was going to sit down. No, I'm really going to get you. Get her up. That bite. That's right, get the covers off. One way, get her up. Bite her. Bite her. Pull her hair. Tell her get up.